Welcome YouTubers to my second video in the series Learning C Sharp. In this tutorial we will install Visual Studio 2013 Express. If you've watched my last video, you saw that we downloaded the exe from msdn.com. If you do not have the exe from msdn.com on your machine, you can simply go back and view the first video. Also on my website, you will be able to view these steps one by one, and I will post this on the bottom of the video if you prefer written instructions. So let's get started. On my desktop, I have the exe that we downloaded from MSDN. It's called WD Express underscore full. So I will double click on this executable, and we will get this open file security warning. I'm going to accept this and say run. And as you see, the Visual Studio box here will pop up. You have two options. You have to agree, first of all, to the license terms and privacy policy. And your second option is to join the Visual Studio experience. And I will unclick this. If you choose to do this, just leave this clicked. And I will install. Notice here that it requires 2.53 gigabytes of space. So Visual Studio in itself is not a small program. It does require some space. So make sure that you have the allotted space here. After you do this, click install. You see you'll get this user account control. You can say yes to this here. And then at this point, Visual Studio will begin installing all the files and resources it needs to run the application. At this point, this may be fairly quick. It may take your system a long time to do. It is 2.3 gigabytes worth of data and files and resources and artifacts. So you may be here for a while. Just sit back. And Visual Studio has finished installing. If you look at my screen here, you'll see a box that says Visual Studio and it says Launch. I have restarted my machine, and this was the box that came up after I restarted. If you don't get this, the way to verify that Visual Studio was installed and to launch it would be to go to your Start panel. You see here there's an icon saying VS Express 2013 for desktop. You could always click on that, or go to All Programs. If you scroll here, you'll see Visual Studio 2013. You could launch also from here, VS Express 2013 for desktop. In the next video, we will launch Visual Express. We will see some of the components that the Express version offers you. We will talk about some of the other versions that Microsoft offers and what the advantages are of those and disadvantages. And we will completely review the IDE. So if you like the video, please press the like button, also subscribe, and we will see you on the next video.